It is now possible on your EzyCourse platform to charge different currencies to different people depending on where they are making their purchases from. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. So I'm on one of my course landing pages here and I'm logged on here in the UK. So if I click the Get Started button and go to Buy Instant Access Now, you can see in the checkout the price there is listed in UK pound sterling, and that's because I'm located in the UK. But what if people are visiting from other countries and I want to charge different currencies? Well, on this device here, I've set up a VPN and connected it to Switzerland. So just to show you here, you can see the price on this device here is listed in US dollars, and that's because that's what I've got set up for that particular country. So I'm going to go into the admin side of my EzyCourse dashboard now and show you exactly how it works. Now, first of all, we're in site settings and we're in the general settings section here, and then at the top we've clicked on the payment tab. Now, just scrolling down a little bit, you can see there's a setting just in here to enable multi-currency. So firstly, you need to make sure that toggle is turned on. And then further up, you can see here, I've got the default currency set to US dollars, which means that everybody that visits my site, unless told otherwise, are going to see currencies in US dollars. But I've also got enabled GBP here as well, which is Great British Pounds. So I'm just going to dive into one of my courses just here and show you how this works. So I'll go actually into Mastering Course Creation and I'll just edit that. And then at the top here, I'm going to click on pricing and you can see the makeup of it here. So I've got this one-time price set, which is a strike-through price of $89 and a buy-in price of 49 US dollars. But you can see I've also added a price, which is this UK price, which is a strike-through of 79 UK pounds. And the selling price is £39 just there. So let's have a look at how to set that up. And I'm going to show you how to do this by adding first another currency. So I'm going to actually go back into the settings and I'm going to add in a currency. So let me just go back into site settings, back into general and into the payment tab here. And in this multiple currency section just here, I'm going to add the Swiss francs, which is abbreviated to CHF, and then I'm going to update that setting there so that I've now got an extra currency option available. Now I'm going to go back into the Mastering Course Creation course just here, and I'm going to go back into the pricing tab, and then I'm just going to go ahead and edit this price that's already set, and I can do that by clicking on edit from this little menu here. Now you can see the makeup of this. So this is where I've got my US dollars pricing set at the top. So I've got 89 as a strike through and 49 as the buy-in price. And then you can see underneath I've got this UK price here, which is 79 strike through, 39 buy-in price, and that's available to people in the UK. Now I'm now going to go ahead and add another price, and in the box that pops up just here I'm going to select the country, and this is Switzerland. So lots of countries to choose from, and Switzerland is just here. And then I'm going to choose the currency, which is now available because I've made that available in the site settings a little while ago, CHF, and I'm going to click on OK for that. And that sets that price just up here down in the bottom. And then I'm just going to put in some numbers here to, I don't know what the exact conversion rates are, but let's just put these in for examples now. And I'm going to click on update just there. And you can see now I've got a few different prices set up. So if I just go into here, I've still got my US dollars, still got my UK set in there as well, but I've also got this new price in there, which is for Switzerland. So let's just come back on here and go back and refresh my device here. So just refreshing this screen. We're still logged on the VPN, still set to Switzerland. So again, back on the page here, I'm going to click that Buy Instant Access Now button. And just let that load up, and then I'll show you in a second that you can now see that this device is showing my course in that Swiss franc, which is abbreviated, like I say, to CHF. So that's a brief walkthrough of how you can set up multiple currencies on your site. You can set different currencies up. Basically on my site at the moment, I've got US dollars around the world for everybody, and just UK pounds set up in the UK. But now I can add other countries on as I see fit, and you can do exactly the same on your EzyCourse site. Hope you found that useful. Let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.